Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego set 40263. It's called the Christmas Town Square and it has 179 pieces. So it looks like you get a little stand, a bakery stand where you can buy goods and food. There's a central Christmas tree area, a mailbox, a snowman, and she's pulling a cart with presents on it. That's all the stuff you can do. Throw snowballs at people who are putting their mail in. Think about who you're going to throw a snowball at. Build a snowman together. Okay, let's open it up. I like those fence pieces. You get quite a few minifigures. I think you get 3. Yeah, 3 minifigures in this little set. That's a cool piece. That's part of the snowman, it looks like. Wow, 3 bags of parts even. There's the mail. And a loose plate. Looks like an 8x8 white plate. And the instructions. There it shows the other set, the Christmas train ride set. And there's the parts. Alright, so that is what is in the box. We've got 3 bags of parts and folded up instructions. And a loose plate. Thanks for watching.